Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is media convergence. Radio, TV, print, internet, etc. Media convergence refers to the merging of previously distinct media technologies and platforms through digitization and computer networking. This is also known as technological convergence. Media convergence is also a business strategy whereby communications companies integrate their ownership of different media properties. This is also called media consolidation, media concentration, or economic convergence. Technological convergence. What is technological convergence? For much of modern history, the different types of media, books, newspapers, radio, television, cinema, were distinct technologies. They also existed in separate industries. Digitization, computer networking, and the rise of the internet, however, have resulted in the breaking down of these silos. This has led to the integration of all media. It enables the immediate and global exchange of every kind of content. Advantages of technological convergence. The point is advantages of technological convergence. Technological convergence simplifies the production of media content. It also expands, accelerates, and facilitates its distribution, often with associated cost savings. A digital photograph, for example, can be shot and circulated globally within seconds via the internet. There is no need for film processing, printing, and physical distribution. Similarly, consumers can access multiple forms of media content on a single device whenever they choose, often for free. With technological convergence, the electronic transmission of data can be exponential. This replaces the more singular physical transportation of material goods. Convergence has also made it easier to produce media. Digitization allows consumers of media content to produce and distribute their own content. They could be everyday people using social media sites, or they could be professionals. Example: designers, filmmakers, musicians, writers, etc. Working in their field, some analysts see this as a democratization of media. Anyone with access to digital media and a computer network can produce, consume, and circulate media content. Drawbacks of technological convergence. Our experience with convergence to data has also revealed some drawbacks. Not everyone has ready and affordable access to digital media or the skills to employ them. A connection to computer networks and the literacy required to navigate them is increasingly vital. It creates a digital divide between haves and have-nots. Also, the tracking capacity of computer programs has resulted in increased surveillance. This has prompted concerns about personal privacy and security. The rapid change of digital formats and the massive quantitative of available data has led to challenges. These include concerns about the storage, preservation, and protection of things deemed important to the public record. Digital content can be copied, changed, and circulated with great ease. This presents a challenge to existing copyright law and makes it difficult to prevent the pirating of content. The music, film, and television industries have been mediated by this. The publishing industries have also been threatened by the free circulation of media. Thank you.